Welcome to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making one of the best, spiciest chicken lollipop recipes ever. Smoky, juicy, wrapped in pork ham, and coated with a fiery, flavorful glaze. If you love bold flavors and heat that lingers, this is for you. This isn't just any chicken lollipop. It's packed with deep spice, smokiness, and an extra layer of crispy, caramelized goodness. Let's get cooking. First, take some chicken drumsticks and cut them into lollipop shape, exposing the bone for that perfect handle. Now, for an extra flavor boost, finely chop an onion and a few cloves of garlic. But here's the secret: grind them using a stone mortar. This old-school method releases all the natural oils and deepens the flavor. Now, let's move on to the spice marinade. This is where the heat kicks in. In a bowl, mix roasted spice powder, black pepper, salt, roasted chili powder, red chili powder, and chili flakes. Sprinkle this fiery mix all over the chicken and rub it in well so the flavors soak deep into the meat. Add onion and garlic mixture and rub well. Next, coat it with cornstarch for a crispy texture. Here's where things get unique. Wrap each chicken lollipop with pork ham. This adds an extra layer of smoky richness that takes the flavor to another level. Use a toothpick to secure it, and let it marinate for at least an hour. This waiting time is worth it because it lets the flavors fully absorb. And finish with a few drops of oil to lock in the moisture. Now, let's fire up the barbecue smoker and heat it well. Once it's ready, place the chicken lollipops on the grill and let them slow cook for an hour, turning them every 10 minutes to ensure even cooking. While that's smoking, let's make the ultimate spicy glaze. In a bowl, mix red chili powder, roasted spice powder, chili powder, black pepper, more roasted chili powder, and chili flakes. Then, add a little honey for balance, vinegar for tang, soy sauce for depth, mango sauce for a fruity heat, and hot chili sauce for an extra fiery kick. But the real magic? A spoonful of curd. This makes the sauce thick and rich, coating the chicken perfectly. Give it a good mix until everything blends into a deep red, glossy glaze. Once the chicken is done smoking, remove it from the grill. And dip each piece directly into the sauce or use a brush to coat them well. Back onto the grill they go, this time at medium heat for 15 more minutes to caramelize the glaze. For that final touch, apply another layer of sauce and grill until they turn a perfect golden red, packed with intense smoky, spicy flavor. And that's it. Serve these fiery chicken lollipops with some creamy mayonnaise sauce to cool things down a bit. Trust me, you're gonna need it. If you love spicy, smoky, and bold flavors, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to LK Dinner Time for more amazing recipes. See you in the next one. Happy grilling!